In this video, I'm going to teach you how to customize email subscription pages in HubSpot. In order to do that, you first need to head over right here into your HubSpot and onto the search bar, proceed to search for subscription until you can find the email subscription settings. So click on this right here. Once you have done that, it will be redirected right there onto the actual settings. You can find settings by clicking on the gear icon and clicking onto the email under the tools. With this, you can see the default subscription preference page. You can head over and edit it by clicking onto this action and clicking onto this edit option if you have access for this editing permissions for this page. Do take note that it only unlocks access with the HubSpot Marketing Pro subscription. So you can only customize this particular page if you have subscribed to that particular plan. You can also see right here the default subscription confirmation as well as the default backup unsubscribe page. With that, you can head over and edit it once you have subscribed. So that's all there is today. And if you haven't signed up on HubSpot yet, make sure to use our affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.